Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this episode we will be covering improper cache control. So improper cache control basically comes under P4 in most cases, but if you can find it on sensitive pages, it will be upgraded to P3 or P2 sometimes. So basically, improper cache control means when an user logs out, but the account information is cached in the web application. So if when you hit the back button, or if you try to get the information by uh, going back to that page or using that URL, you can if you can see the information of the account, then the vulnerability is present. So let me explain using a POC. So I have created an account already just to save some time. As we hit login, we can see that we have successfully logged in. So this is the account. So once I hit logout, ideally the web application should log me out, and once I hit the back button, you can see I can still view the user account. So this vulnerability is called proper cache control. As the data is cached in the web application, so the data is visible even after logout. If you visit to that page, so it will be escalated to or upgraded to P3 or P2 only if this page has some sensitive information, including bank details or your payment details or something else, which or your personal documents, identification documents. Then this vulnerability will be upgraded to P3 or P2. But in this case, this is a P4 vulnerability. But and sometimes targets will also demote it to P5 informational, as if you find this on some very uh, insensitive page or not so important page, if you find this vulnerability, so in that case it will be demoted to P5 as well. So here is a POC of P1, sorry, P2. This is a demo account which is set up on localhost. So once the user logs out and hits the back button, you can see the account information is the account information is cached. So the information of the payment details of the user is leaked. So we can say that this one improper cache control is present in the page. So I guess this is clear to you, and this is a pretty simple vulnerability. You can uh, check it very easily. So I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye till then.